I think Chicago comedy crowds are there for like a very authentic comedy experience. From what I've seen, I don't know. I can't say much to LA. I don't want to slander them.
Have you thought about, of course, California and in LA?
I have performed a few times in California, usually when I'm back home visiting, kind of just hitting shows and mics when I'm there. And yeah, it's promising, and I think everyone has got to perform in LA at some point, just because it's where like you got to either move to LA or New York in theory. So you got to perform both, just kind of feel them out.
Are the crowds very different when you're comparing LA and Chicago?
I don't have too much experience with the audiences in LA. So it's hard to say. I would say that they were not impressed with me in LA. Not to be self-deprecating, but I think they were expecting something different, or I don't know, or they were just not as engaged. I think Chicago comedy crowds are there for like a very authentic comedy experience. From what I've seen, I don't know. I can't say much to LA. I don't want to slander their name.